KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang on-cue between Alden and Catherine Bernardo. So I won't take it longer. Ang on-cue kasi, isa din sa mga interview ng ABS-CBN kay Sir MJ Felipe na nakakakilig. Tapos alam mo yung mga questions dito, mga narrow talaga. So I won't take any longer, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Dapat hindi na ako gagawa ng reaction video for today's video. Hindi na talaga dapat, stop na dapat kasi naka 14 na tayo. Imagine 14 videos in one day. Pang 15 na to, sa totoo lang. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Okay.
Fresh from the success of Hello Love Again, we have the lead stars Catherine Bernardo
Sir
and
MJ
Alden
Felipe.
Richards. Hello again.
Hello
Ay,
again.
ang gwapo ni Alden.
Again.
Ano sikat?
I'm sure nasa cloud 9 pa kayo pareho. Still trying to...
Wait lang, alam mo, napansin ko kahit ano talaga ang buhok ni Alden, sa totoo lang, bagay sa kanya, naka-brush up man yan, naka-clean cut man yan, ito mahabang buhok niya na medyo may bang siya, bagay talaga sa kanya. No? Naka-eyeglass man siya o hindi, bagay talaga.
to process everything that's
Yes.
happening. Pero ano yung na-realize nyo after seeing the success, the early success of the movie?
Ano ang na-realize mo? Saan kaya ito
Na-realize
ni-interview?
ko,
Na,
siguro sa gabi lang yung pasasalamat. Yun lang yung nararamdaman ko talaga ngayon. Kasi, from
wait lang. Alam mo, every time talaga na si Alden talaga, yung pag nagsasalita si Kat, para siyang baby na nakikinig talaga sa kung ano ang sinasabi ni Kat. Sa totoo lang. You should like very attentive siya. It's either nakatingin siya sa baba because ini-internalize siya kung anong sinasabi ni Kat or nakatingin siya kay Kat. Hindi pong lalim na tingin. Ganun yung napansin ko kay Alden.
the from the moment na nag-anime tayo and then we did the shooting in Canada, ramdam na namin yung support, and then we did the promo right away pag uwi dito in the past few weeks. Oh my gosh!
Ay, ano yun? Tumulog.
It's a blessing.
We did the promos and all. Dun palang ramdam na
Ano yung
ramdam na
tumulo?
namin yung support ng mga tao sa mga pinupuntahan. So, hanggang sa eto na, nag-premiere na, then nakita na
Buti ni
sa
Alden.
block screenings, na sobrang, parang doble yung nare-receive more than the usual. So parang ayoko din naman mag-expect ng too much, pero yun lang yung pinagpipray, sana maging okay, sana maging okay. And then,
Okay naman yung reception, di ba? Ilang milyon na? 100 million plus na?
Nasa Cloud9. Hanggang
Weekdays pa yun,
Hindi
ah.
pa siya fully mag-sink in sa amin because it's just our second day. And
Right.
grabe
Second
sa
day pa lang?
support na
100
binibigay.
something.
Pag weekend pa, so,
150 plus?
Grabe, pasasalamat lang.
Wala
sa
pang
team.
weekend.
Kasi from the moment we announced this up until now, patindi lang ng patindi yung support.
Right.
And we're so lucky to
Right.
have that kind of support.
Right. Ang gusto ko malaman, Alden,
Ano?
is ito.
Ayan.
Dahil komportable na kayong magtrabaho,
Wait lang si Kat. Wait, parang, teka lang. Parang bumubuela si Kat dito for today's video. Sabi ni Kat, teka lang. Kasi baka iba na naman tong itatanong. Baka mabuhay abunda na naman tayo dito on the spot. Iba yung briefing, tapos iba yung itatanong. Kasi the way magtanong si Sir MJ Felipe, parang may laman ang tono.
alam nyo na ba paano i-push yung acting buttons ng isa't isa?
Parang both Kath and I have different
Ways.
ways and
Okay.
process
Okay.
kung paano namin ginagawa yung eksena. And for some reason, ako, with how I do scenes with Kath, maybe she doesn't know it na marami akong nakukuha from her kasi she's very generous when it comes to scenes. When we make films kasi, di ba usually may shot muna for Kath and then shot
That's
ko.
right.
So,
Ganun pala
the thing
yun.
about us, we help each other. Kahit na wala sa amin yung shot, we always give out our best. Kahit heavy scenes yun, kahit we have to cry, kahit wala sa amin yung camera. And I think yun yung isa sa mga magagandang traits ni Kat na of course sa marami sa nakatrabaho niya yung na-experience.
Right.
Yung
Oh.
ganong klaseng very
Tulo din daw
generous
sa
when it
pinakla.
comes to scenes. So, hindi ako nahirapan actually with the scenes that I did with her, light man or heavy.
Right. I know this is
Right.
too early to ask, pero ang gusto ko malaman,
Too
would
early
you be
to ask.
open to working again in the future after this?
Go.
Kasi last was 2019, right?
Yes,
Tapos
2019.
2024.
So 2028. Ay, 2029.
Ganun ba? Maghihintay
After
kayo
5 years
ng
ba?
another 5 years para go mapanood kayo ulit in a project?
Parang we'll never know eh.
Paano kaya kung may teleserye silang dalawa? No? Uy, putang ina. Uy, sorry sa bibig ko. Pero hindi yan imposible. Diba dear, posible yan. Kasi yung Unbreak My Heart, that is a collaboration of GMA and ABS-CBN. So, hindi yan, imposible na hindi mangyari yan.
Baka,
Diba?
Bukas kayo.
of course.
Basta may magandang material,
Magandang
why not?
material.
Yeah.
Paano kung...
Hindi lang pala sila basta tanggap ng tanggap. Ay, eto na.
Alam mo, management yung mag-uusap.
Yes.
Kasi
Okay.
parang para sa amin, bago naman nila i-pitch yun, maraming discussion yun, mahabang
right.
discussion.
Nasala na
That's
kumbaga.
right.
So kapag naka-decide na, both networks, and then ipipitch sa amin, we're just very open naman
Yeah.
with it.
Right.
Basta may magandang material, okay sa both networks, walang masasagasaan na schedule.
That's right.
Mm-mm.
Then,
True.
diba, let's be open
So,
lang to possibilities.
open
We'll see.
sila.
Yes
Right.
po.
Open na maka-work
One thing I
ulit.
noticed, Kat, kasi nung nawala ako, nasa US ako,
Ah.
so minomonitor ko lang yung mga mall shows ninyo, saka yung pumupunta and everything. I really saw how comfortable you are with him.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
yes.
Corrected by...
Attorney, nakita,
Attorney.
mga ebidensya eh.
Like, ano?
Ito yung mga ebidensya.
Ang galing mo talaga, Sir MJ.
Yung jumper mo,
I love it.
Ni Alden, yung parang naka-jumpers ka, parang pants.
The last,
Sa
Oo,
mall show.
oo.
Kasi pawis na naman si Sis. Lagi na lang akong
Si
pawis.
Sis. Pawis na naman si
So,
Sis.
okay, anyway,
Pero yun nga yung
Yes.
comfortability, no? Grabe.
siguro nakatulong yung, parang nag-warm up ulit siguro
Right.
nung nasa Canada. Parang everyday yon. And then, etong promos, mas, di ba you get comfortable naman every
Right.
time. The more you spend time,
Right.
di ba, the more comfortable you
Right.
get,
You
di ba?
get to know
Right.
the person, yes.
Right,
Yes, so
right.
I think very important yun sa lahat din ng nakakatrabaho ko. Yung nagbi-build ako ng friendship. And
Ng
gusto ko
rapport,
comfortable
ganon.
siya sa akin.
Right.
And then I want him to, tell me if he's not feeling well or not para alam ko kung paano ko siya alalayan. So, I think very important yun. Lalo kapag nasa isa kayong project. Lalo ngayon na friends naman talaga kami ni
Yes.
Tisoy.
Tsaka one thing I can attest to is hindi mahirap alagaan si Kat. Wala siyang arte sa katawan, always game to do whatever para sa lahat. She's willing to go out of her way, just to make something happen.
Parang
So,
ano ba
yun yung-
talaga ni ate?
Hindi.
Hindi ba alagain?
No.
No.
I should say. Wala.
Pero
Parang,
gusto mong alagaan.
siguro yun din yung one of
Pero
the reasons
gusto mong
why I'm very comfortable with her.
alagaan.
Right.
Kasi parang basically she doesn't give anyone a hard time.
Right,
I think
right.
that's one of Kat's best traits that she has.
Talaga
Oh,
ba?
thank you.
Words of
Nagsasipag sa mga
affirmation.
fans nyo kasi
Love
tapos
language
na yung
ni
promo,
Alden.
Everything, wala nang ayuda. Ayan o, nagkasipang sa si Miko.
Alam mo, ganito yung na-feel namin during
Okay.
Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi yung promo
You know,
doon,
dire-diretso rin kami
Yeah.
doon, dami namin pinuntahan and yung na-build din namin na friendship with other cast talaga. Yun yung isa sa mga something na nawala man for 5 years pero I think the connection is still there.
Okay.
Yun yung na-build namin during the time that we're together.
Okay, okay. Last question na to. For Alden.
okay.
Tapos na kitang i-pressure
So,
eh.
alis na ako.
Wag muna.
Alis na ako.
Alden, ang hindi ko makakalimutan na tanong sa'yo, interview mo ever, was tinanong ka ni Tito Boy, sinong laman ng puso mo, ang sayo mo si Mama Mary.
Ayan.
Pero pag tinanong kita ngayon, at binuksan namin yung puso mo, sinong laman yan?
Ayan.
Parang we'll be right back with that question.
Ay, ayaw sagutin. Sikat.
Namumula siya.
Namumula na.
I-reveal ko na lang yan soon.
Dalawa na utang nyo ha, may utang ka sa akin ng number, may utang ka sa akin ng name.
Anong number?
Ako kayo dyan. Thank you!
Number. Yung percentage ng parang level of closeness ata nila. Parang ganun yun ata. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video. The On Cue, Alden and Catherine. This is KG Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!